Hi everyone, this is UNV smart box configuration. For example, for this camera I configured no helmet. Okay, so if somebody is on the camera without helmet, it will trigger. So I make a mark here. I will make a mark here. This area, if somebody comes without helmet, it will trigger. So the trigger I make buzzer, so it will give the sound from smart box, buzzing sound. So now I will show you how the trigger is happening. Okay, he is now there without helmet. See, the sound is coming from the buzzer. Okay, now I will tell him to go with the cap. See, now he's with the cap, he's going there. Now sound is coming. Okay, thank you. So you can search in the VCA search that behavior. So here is behavior search. So if you select that no helmet detection and I search, so I'll get the picture whoever is there without helmet. See, this all the picture you will see, and you can play from here the video. He come without cap. Okay, so there is a lot of functions that you can activate. No helmet, fight detection, no cloth, even calling. So here in behavior, previously I have made a test calling behavior. So when you search calling behavior, see here, calling detection. I previously did this one. See, search. So I can see the guy is calling here. See, and you can see the video here. If I play, you will find he's making the call. See, when he's making the call, it gives the trigger. Okay, thank you.